Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you recently deleted some Instagram chats and you want to recover them, all you need to do is to follow the next steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application and then log in your account. Then at the bottom right, click on your profile image button, here it is. Then at the top right, 3 lines button, here it is. And then you need to click on the first one option, account center, right up here. Then we need to scroll down a little bit and find your information and permissions, here it is. And then the first one option, download your information. After that you will see this interface. You need to click on download or transfer information button, and then you need to choose account you want to recover, where you want to recover deleted chats. For example, this account, then next button, then click on the first one option, all available information, then download to device, and then you will see this interface. You can customize your information you want to recover, you want to download. For example, you can customize format, your media quality, it can be high, low or medium. For example, I will choose low. And notify, you need to enter your email address. And then you need to click on create files button at the bottom right up here, and then you need to wait a little bit. As you can see, I have a window in progress that is my information is downloading. And after a few hours, maybe you will receive a message on your email address that your information has been downloaded. All you need to do is to go back to this one interface, and then you will be able to download this information. And after that you will be able to access your deleted chats. And that's all. And that's how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.